Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Shoe Game. Today we're going to talk about the Air Jordan 1 Mid Patented Black Gold 2019 release, or edition I should say. These came out January 23rd, 2019. They retailed for $120, and they are reselling for anywhere from size 12, anywhere from like a 320 to 340, 350. Because these have been out for a minute. So you can see it's the black and the gold are patent leather, whatever you want to call it. And then right here on the toe and the white parts here is just your regular standard leather. Here's the tongue, black and gold tongue here. And you have the gold Air Jordan stamp. So I like these. As if you remember, I don't know which episode it was, but it was the black metallic gold, the high top version, but it was solid black with just the gold. Similar colorway for the mid, but you got some black, white, and gold work in here. And yeah, I like this shoe. With black and white, you can wear them with dark colors, light colors. You can wear with gold if you're just trying to get some gold popping, but that's pretty much it for these shoes. They came with alternate laces, as you can see. I put in the alternate laces. One's black, one's white. They didn't come with gold. Had come with gold laces would have been cool. I might buy some gold laces and get that working. But yeah, Air Jordan 1 Mids, patented black gold, 2019. So that's what these are looking like. Check them out if you guys are interested in them. See if they got them in your size. They are hard to find. You can't really find these in stores. And I know like a lot of places like StockX or Stadium Goods, a lot of the sizes, they don't have any. So you got to like get on a waiting list to get in line for when they come in. So yeah, that's these. And we'll catch you guys next time on Shoe Game.